Everyone, welcome to ExoRandom. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. So it's possible that many of you would have heard about cryptocurrencies in the past few days because they're on a rise these days. So cryptocurrencies are being talked everywhere these days. It might be Elon Musk, it might be a news channel, or it might be any source where you got the information. Some popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Ripple, Monero, etc. So what basically is cryptocurrency? So that's what we're gonna discuss in the video. Let's move on. Cryptocurrencies is a decentralized digital currency. It's based on the blockchain technology, which we will surely discuss in the same video. You may be familiar with most popular versions like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. But there are 5,000 different cryptocurrencies in circulation. You can use cryptocurrencies to buy regular goods and services, although many people just invest in cryptocurrencies as they would in other assets like stocks and precious metals like platinum, gold, etc. While cryptocurrency is a novel and existing asset class, purchasing it can be risky as you must take on a fair amount of research to fully understand how each system works. So, how does cryptocurrency work? A cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange that is digital, encrypted, and decentralized. Unlike any currencies like US dollar or the euro, there is no central authority that manages and maintains the value of a cryptocurrency. Instead, these tasks are broadly distributed among a cryptocurrency's users via a network. Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency, was the first cryptocurrencies, first outlined in a principle by Satoshi Nakamoto, a mysterious people group or some individual in 2008 paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Satoshi Nakamoto described the project as an electronic payment system based on cryptographic proof instead of trust. That cryptographic proofs come in the form of transactions that are verified and recorded in the form of a program called a blockchain. So what is blockchain and what is blockchain technology? A blockchain is an open distributed ledger that records transactions in code. In practice, it's a little like a checkbook that's distributed across countless computers around the world. Transactions are recorded in blocks that are then linked together on a chain of previous cryptocurrency transactions. That is called blockchain, as it is a chain of blocks. Imagine a book where you write down everything you spend, every money you spend on each day. This was the statement by Bushi Okoro, CEO and co-founder of African cryptocurrency exchange Quidax. Each page is similar to a block, and the entire book, a group of pages, is called blockchain. With a blockchain, everyone who uses a cryptocurrency has their own copy of this book to create a unified transaction record. Software logs each new transaction as it happens, and every copy of the blockchain is updated simultaneously with the new information, keeping all records indicative and accurate. To prevent fraud, each transaction is checked using one of two main validation technologies, proof of work or proof of stake. Here comes the part of mining. There are two types of mining, proof of work and proof of stake, which we will surely discuss in any other role. So how can you buy cryptocurrencies, or how can you have cryptocurrencies? So every cryptocurrency has its own wallet, has its own trade center where you can go trade any cryptocurrency for currency like USDT. USDT, or better known as Tether, is a cryptocurrency that is a stable coin. A stable coin is a cryptocurrency that is equivalent to a currency or regular currency such as US dollar or euro. So a Tether or USDT is a stable coin equal to the value of a US dollar. So you can buy any cryptocurrency on a exchange, on a trade, or on a wallet using USDT, or even from your bank account. So you need a wallet to keep all these cryptocurrencies safe and secure. Every cryptocurrency has its own wallet and you can download them from their official websites. There are some wallets that has multiple cryptocurrencies in it, for example Coinbase or Binance, so you can use them anyway. So the question comes, how can I use cryptocurrencies? So you can use cryptocurrencies to make purchases, but it's not a form of payment with mainstream acceptance quite yet. A handful of online retailers like overstock.com accept Bitcoin. It's far from the norm. This may change in the near future. However, payment giants PayPal recently announced the launch of a new service that will allow customers to buy, hold and sell cryptocurrencies from their PayPal accounts, and that's huge. If PayPal was considered a bank, they'd be the 21st largest bank in the world, and they are giving access to all of their users. They are going to make it easy for people to stand their crypto. Until crypto is more widely accepted, you can work around current limitations by exchanging cryptocurrencies for gift card at eGifter. For instance, you can use Bitcoin to buy gift card for Dunkin' Donuts, Target, Apple and select other retailers and restaurants. You may also be able to load cryptocurrencies to a debit card to make purchases. In the US, you can sign up for BitPay card, a debit card that converts crypto assets into dollars for purchase. But there are fees involved to order the card and use it for ATM withdrawals, so that's a bit expensive. Now the question arises, is it secure? Until you are not careless, it is 100% secure. The wallet system of cryptocurrencies are far different from what the traditional method is. It does not take any kind of emails or any other recovery sources. There's a phrase of 12 words or sometimes 24 words that is totally random, and you have to get it written somewhere. Until you have the access to the wallet 12 random words or 24 random words, you can access your wallet securely. Just in case if you lose it, you lose all your currencies. Another thing to mention is cryptocurrencies are untrackable. Once the transaction is done, you cannot have it back anyway. Also, if you have made a transaction to some suspicious company and you want to see any details about the company or any individual, you cannot. You can just hold its Bitcoin or Ethereum or any cryptocurrency's wallet address, which is not enough to see anything or to get any data out of there. So how to invest in cryptocurrencies? Just go to a wallet, go to a trade your US dollars, trade your currency, for example euro. Just trade euro for any cryptocurrencies you want and you can have it in your wallet. It's been there until you sell it or until you just send it to someone else. The question arises, how to be secure? So as I told you, you have to be secure from frauds. The other problem is they are not stable. What to do? So the things that you can do is get a good research, watch some videos, read some articles, get some graphs of how the cryptocurrencies you're going to invest in is going. For example, if a cryptocurrency has been in the market since the last 5 years and it has never come up and you're just spending it because you're just investing in it because it has never come up, it could be a foolish move. Or if any currency is on the top notch, for example Bitcoin had reached $50,000 mark, and if you're investing it at that moment, it would be a foolish move because you can't expect cryptocurrencies to go that high. It will go high, I do agree, but it's not that quick. Don't be quick. Get a research done. Try to buy the currency when the prices are low. There are always times when the prices go low. So just get a good review, read some graphs of last few months or last few years, and then only spend in the cryptocurrency. So I believe this is it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope this will clear all your doubts regarding cryptocurrencies. If you still have any doubts, you can join my Discord from the link in the description, or you can comment down. I will try to 100% answer all your queries. Thank you.